Welcome back to another video, ladies and gentlemen. Behind me I have my G37 and we're going to be installing test pipes today. I'm currently, I believe, running a Rev 9 axle back exhaust, and I'm not sure if the resonator is still on there or not. This is kind of how I bought the car. We got the box here in the trunk. I picked them up from SZR Pro, which is a local Nissan Infinity shop. If you're in the Houston area, make sure to hit them up on Instagram, SZR Pro, and they will hook you up with pretty much whatever you need. With that said, I'm gonna head over to my friend Ryan's place. We're gonna be installing the test pipes. I'm getting blinded, I can't see. Let's go. All right, we made it to Ryan's apartment featuring his dog.
So the Jeep has a really weird problem.
Oh God.
Where the power will leave for some reason.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, and then it comes back for no reason.
All right, now we can move this sucker out. And then we can put my G in here. At first, I watched a YouTube video about taking the intakes off and going at it from the top. But these aren't stock intakes. And I don't really know if we need to do that. So we might just tackle it from the bottom. All right, so in this box, we have the test pipes. Is that your phone?
That was me.
Okay.
That's one way to break stuff. That's the end.
Return policy on these things.
That's the end of the video, guys. We'll see you next week.
They're beautiful. They're catless down pipes. There's nothing in there. All right, we're gonna start by jacking the car up. If you don't know how to jack a car up, these are the bolts in the gaskets for the test pipes, and just washers, bolts, and screws. All right, we're in wide angle mode. I could show you guys. These are the bolts we're gonna be messing with here. On the cats, and then you have the two down there. This is my transmission. Hey, transmission, how you doing? And same thing on that side. Then we got to unscrew the O2 sensors, disconnect them from right here, and we should be good to go. And that seems to me like a resonator that I do not want to see anymore. So we might have to do something about that soon. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt the bolts and everything, and undo the O2 sensors off camera, just because it's kind of hard to record under here and work at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and I'll show you guys when we get everything off. All right, we're using a 22 wrench to take the O2 sensor out of the cat. We also sprayed air coil on the bolts, and as well as on the O2 sensors, just to make them a little easier to get out. And for the bolts right here, I believe they were 13 millimeter. This car ever fucking made a PT Cruiser.
Yeah, it keeps that sucker in the garage.
Yeah. Better keep it there. Oh, hey, you got the cat off.
Yeah, tap.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
We got the test pipe right here. We made sure everything fit correctly. And we're just going to clean up the surface a little bit, make sure it's all smooth. So that way there's no leaks in the gaskets or anything. And make sure everything's all nice and snug and tight. All right, after recent discovery, these are not OEM cats. These are actually high floor cats. Which sucks, because I was planning on selling my other cats that I don't have. All right, so there's test pipe, and then there's other test pipe. So that's what it looks like. O2 sensors are all plugged up and everything, so. All right, Ryan tightened the last bolt down for me, and the test pipes are officially on. Like I said, we have high flow cats. Yeah, I'm interested to see how it's gonna sound. All right, Ryan, you can go ahead and do the honors. Start her up. Oh, that sounds a lot louder. That sounds really good. What the heck? Okay, doesn't idle too bad. Actually, idles pretty quietly. Oh God, I can just tell when you get on it, it's gonna be loud though. That sounds really good.
You like your new test pipes?
I do. It wasn't that much louder. At least I couldn't tell from because I was inside the car. It sounded louder. It wasn't like as loud as I thought it was gonna be because obviously I had high flow cats before. But anyways, guys, that is gonna be it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. I think it sounds really good either way. Not as loud as I thought it was gonna be, but like I said, it's gonna be a lot louder. So make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. Also make sure to check out the Instagram above_hunter. Try to post a lot on there. So make sure to follow on there, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.